In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily join Telegram private channel without invite link. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off, we need to open up any web browser. I'm gonna use Safari. Then we just need to enter at the address bar t.me, after that /+ and after a plus we need to enter some random symbols or digits. In that way, just enter here any symbols just like that and then hit add go. That allows you to send an invitation to your Telegram profile from the unique Telegram private channel ID that you have generated, and then once you hit add open, you will be redirected to your Telegram app where you will be able to accept the invitation. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.